Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. I have an unboxing today, and today it is my monthly subscription to Colorcast Designs. I have some lovely friends on the design team, so check them out. See what they've got. I did cut it, but I have not looked. So we've got some paper. We could probably use that. We'll hold on to that. And this is the subscription box. Fabulous price points. So if you are looking to get some of these beautiful epoxy pieces, they remind me a bit, to compare it, that's like, it would be like a Bramble Fox type, but it's Colorcast Designs. So this is everything for January. I ordered it in December. So we've got this one right here, and these are like super thick. Oh my god, these are glorious. So we've got memory. That is a massive glare there for you. Apologize. So we've got memory, but we can scoot you in more too, huh? All right, we got memory, and then we've got lovely. I was like, wait, what? Why can't I read? And there is like a protective adhesive on the back. You just peel that right off. I'm not going to go ahead and do that yet. So there we go. That is in one. And I don't know, but I'm sure you can buy like the set as not part of the kit. But maybe you can't. I don't know. So don't quote me on that. I've been trying to do more like boxes like this, so that I get kind of a sampling of things and don't have to buy the, you know, everything from everyone. All right, so then we've got this little box here, which has got these three cute little hearts, and I bet these fit right inside and then together forever. So that is a cute little set, right? So you could like stick your photo like this. You could stick your photo right inside there and then have your Together Forever title. Ooh, love it. Kind of. Or you could just use these separately, back them, and then have those cute little hearts. I will probably use them together because I find that to be pretty darn adorable. And I don't know if my mic is picking up. My husband's downstairs and he must be watching something because it is a load. So we'll get that in there. And then the last part is this monstrosity of a little thing here, and it's all kind of title bits. So we've got Love Story. I don't know if you can see that. That's kind of like etched in there with a design frosted on the love, and it's, ooh, it's, can you see that? And it's like textured. Hear that? There you go. So that one's super cute. Make sure I stay in camera. Trying to do better at talking all the way through my videos because I've noticed that I don't. Sorry, Truly Madly Deeply. That one is super cute in that cute little pink. And then The Story of Us. So I was really excited to get these because I do have a whole bunch of photos to document of me and my hubs. And then like The Story of Us, I could use for me and Sam because Sam's been with me longer than anybody, and you know, he's like my bestie. My son is one of my best friends. He's a ride or die, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we'll get those popped in there, and that is it for this cute little subscription box for January. So I am not affiliated with the company. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I got. Head on over and pick yourself some up because these are fabulous. I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.